Types of data. We will begin by talking about population data and sample data. Population data is everything or everyone that we are studying. Sample data is a subset of our population. For example, in the following situations, let's identify the population data and the sample data. University of Houston is interested in how many of their students buy used books as opposed to new ones. They randomly choose 100 students from the Student Center to interview. The population would consist of all students at the University of Houston. The sample consists of the 100 students chosen to interview. Another example. An elementary school is creating a new lunch menu and they want to know if it will appeal to their students. They send home questionnaires to students with last names that begin with the letters M through R. The population is all students at that elementary school. The sample consists of the students whose last names begin with the letters M through R. A variable is a characteristic of an individual that can assume more than one value. Variables can be classified as categorical or qualitative, or they can be classified as quantitative or numeric. Categorical variables describe qualities or characteristics that data may have. They usually represent a type of something, for example, a type of car or eye color. Quantitative variables are measurements. These are numerical values. Quantitative variables can be classified as either discrete or continuous. Discrete variables are countable. For example, the number of lives given a single play of a video game. Continuous quantitative variables can take on any value in an interval. For example, the amount of time you wait in line at the driver's license office. In the following examples, let's classify the variables as categorical or quantitative. If they are quantitative, we will state whether the variable is discrete or continuous. Political preference is a categorical variable. Number of siblings is quantitative and discrete because we can count the number of siblings. Blood type is categorical. Height of men on the University of Houston basketball team would be quantitative and continuous. It is continuous because it can take on any value within a particular interval. For example, we can say that someone would be 6 feet tall and the next person could be 6 feet 1 inch or 6 feet half an inch, etc. The time it takes to be on hold when calling the IRS is quantitative and continuous.